What is up, Brody fans, and welcome back to another video of me out in my house with my little Hardo. You're such a jerk. I had to carry her all the way up here. Aw, you want to say hi to YouTube? Ow! That hurt. Say hi to YouTube. Shake. She loves YouTube. When I watch dog YouTube videos, she runs up the stairs. I'm sorry, I'm tired. She runs up the stairs and she'll literally come in here and step all over me. It's so funny and she's so cute. I'm not gonna open my window. Dog, yeah. Someone tried to kidnap her dog. Dog-nap her dog. I know, it doesn't make sense. How to say hi? She's like, no. No. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, dog? What you doing, dog? What you doing, doing? What you doing, dog? What you doing, dog? What you doing, dog? She's so cute. Well, see, when I'm an adult, I'm still gonna have this phone when I'm an adult. I've got my finger. Not from this dog. It's from glass. You didn't do it. You didn't do it. No. No, you didn't. Oh, yeah. Wait.